Bulabinaka, and Rabinaka, everyone. The General Secretary of the Fiji Council of Churches, Reverend Seputa Halapiapi, development partners, civil society, and community representatives, friends of the ocean and the earth, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to begin by offering my heartfelt gratitude to all who have participated in this joint celebration of World Environment Day and World Oceans Day 2025. This event truly shows that no agency or organization can do this work alone. We all play a key role in the protection and preservation of our ocean and our environment. Your presence today is a statement of intent of this shared commitment. In keeping with the theme of World Environment Day 2025 on ending global plastic pollution and World Oceans Day 2025 of sustaining what sustains us, the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change assembled a diverse group of partners to organize a collective call to action. Today's event is centered around cleaning up our vanua. It represents an act of environmental stewardship, community engagement, and resistance to pollution and degradation. While this event also provides valuable data for policymaking through the sorting and weighing of trash collected, today together we have collected a total of over 1,500 kg or 1.5 tons of litter. And 85% of this waste consists general waste. In Lami alone, we collected 403 kg. In Epted Park, 226 kg. And just behind us at the foreshore, 120 kg of waste. This is a critical reminder of our collective responsibility. To support in addressing this crisis, the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change will implement several comprehensive actions to combat pollution. Through Fiji's National Integrated Waste Management Strategy, legal and economic reforms, circularity initiatives, and education and awareness campaigns, we are charting a future free from pollution. The upcoming Global Plastics Treaty presents a critical opportunity to hold the procedures and exporters of problematic and avoidable plastic accountable, and to give the collection pillars of recycling a voice. Pollution, like climate change, exacerbated impacts being faced. Our people, especially those in low-income rural and coastal communities, face health risks, degraded ecosystems, and the burden of managing waste that is not always our own. Just as I witnessed the crew of the Uto Ni Yalo working together to chart a cost to and from Nukubuco Sandbank, the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change celebrates its partnership and urges everyone to work together to effectively address and cross-cutting environmental challenges such as climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss. We acknowledge with appreciation everyone who has worked with us through cleanups, dialogue, and commitments to safeguard our natural world. Let us live here committed to heal our land, protect our ocean, and secure a livable planet for generations to come. We are all stewards of God's creation, and it is our responsibility to protect what provides for us, what nurtures us, and what continues to be part of our identity. Vina valevum, and God bless Fiji.